We are again for solving another picoctf problem, that is a format string 0. In this one, as you can see, I have already ran the instance and downloaded the binary code from this downloaded the source code. This one also claims to have some vulnerability in the code, which we can in the format string functions of the code. So we will have to first see the code for your understanding. The buffer size is 32, the flag size 64. This code here will be checking for the flag handling, this one for the menu. Let's just see what the code runs, what comes out when we start first launch the code. Here we are using the netcat, then the URL and the value, and now it says welcome to a newly opened burger place, and the customer will be based on the customer's interest, we will have to pick a burger. So there are three options, but here is the trick. We have some format specification issue here. So if you just check on the code here, as we can see that there are format specification code, and another tiny bit error that they did is they had counted counted the value of the input, and then if it's greater than 2, then we will serving Bob, else if not, then it will say that the customer is still hungry, and the first customer is supposed to be Patrick, and then the second one is Bob. So here they did a small mistake, I guess. That's the main vulnerability, that if the buffer input of this string gets overfilled, then the second one will also get overfilled and the flag will get outputted. So like the previous one where we had a buffer overflow in the heap, in this one also we will check for buffer overflow. So if we just copy and paste the first one, it says it's too large, then we again run it, we go for the second one just for showing. And now as you can see, it's showing grilled cheese, but in the output it's giving a very big value, the grilled GR, and then there is a lot of space, and then there are some random characters, random values, and then cheese. So this point is actually giving 114 spaces here, and then putting some random digit from the input from the memory. So for this one also we have Vitalo, Portobello, then Southeast Burger, classical cheese stack. Here is percentage, so percentage input will be given. So we will be putting some random values here just to make the buffer go overflow. Okay, so if we put O's here, lots of O's, I guess this might work or might not work. Okay, this one worked. So as I already told, that there is a buffer for overflow problem, so the customer is never, what is this, stack fault something. So this second portion we just gave a long value and then found out, or else other way we can do for the first one also. If we just put this one, lots we will just put a lot of e's here and press enter. So this one also breaks out the seg fault here. As you can see, the segmentation fault here. It just printed out of it printed the flag because there was a lot of values in the code and in the input, and the buffer size was this condition mainly didn't get fulfilled, and it just flushed out the output. So this is the second one, and this one involves string input format vulnerability. Okay, So if this one was also interesting and if you think you were able to get some knowledge here, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.